A green paper on the national rail policy. Now, it's an important guide that will influence decision-making in the industry's freight and passenger transport.
South Africa's rail network is the 11th largest in the world, with a total track distance of 30,400 kilometers. But since the 1980s, rail network has deteriorated and failed to attract enough investment. Government says it will revitalize the sector over the next 20 years. The Green Paper is aimed at provoking public discussion, debate and input regarding the future of the sector.
This is an opportunity. Let us talk. What do we want to do? What type of rail service do we want in South Africa? People would say from KZN, there are more than 50,000 trucks on the road. How do we get those trucks off the road and still get the goods to the end destination? This is the time. Let us talk. But also, the people from the rural areas would say, I used to be on a train, 10 to 10 from Kimberley to Mahikeng. How do we make it possible that those people in the corridor, can again rely on the train as a means of transportation? But how do we also create an environment where the train and the taxi industry can collaborate so that the taxi industry can be able to be the feeder service into the train system? How do we avoid creating short distances and expect speed? Those are the things that we need to talk to.
PRASA and Transnet welcome this development as it will have a positive impact on their businesses.
You're now beginning to see that the government is serious about changing the lives of our people, changing the quality of service that we need to deliver to our people.
This policy addresses a number of fundamental issues like private sector investment, like the manner and way in which we should invest in the railways going forward. And I think it's an important turning point in terms of the kind of economic transformation that we would want to see as a country going forward.
Public hearings will be held across the country in the next 4 months to allow for public consultation. Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.